Hello children, today we are going to discuss about mole concept. For mole concept we need to memorize main formulas. In this we have some problems for practice. First problem is calculate the mass in gram of 2n molecules of CO2. See question, you have to underline CO2 where we have mass of CO2 equal to 2n molecules. Now we have to write mass equal to number of moles into molecular weight of CO2. N molecules of CO2. We know that already. How will you calculate CO2 mass? C means carbon 12. Oxygen means atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 2 into oxygen means 32 plus 12. You will be getting 44 gram per mole. That is the mass. Now you have to find out 2n molecules of CO2. How will you calculate? It is easy only. Just multiply with 2. 44 into 2, you will be getting 88 gram per mole. That's all. It is the easiest problem. In NEET, you will be expecting easy problems only. Sometimes in mole concept, they may ask some different questions. Then the second problem, calculate the mass in grams of 2 gram mole of magnesium. For this, first step we should write 1 gram mole of magnesium has mass 24 grams. Therefore, 2 gram mole of magnesium has mass 24 into 2. What is the answer? We will be getting 48 grams. That's a simple problem only ma. Practice more and you can score more marks. Third problem, in 5 gram atom of silver atomic weight is given in the question itself. Note it. Atomic weight of silver is 108 gram per mole. From this you have to calculate the weight of 1 atom of silver. How will you calculate? Easy steps only. Number 1, we should write n atoms of silver weight, that is 108 gram per mole. Therefore, you can write 1 atom of silver weight equal to 108 divided by n. N means Avogadro number. What is the Avogadro number value? 6. As we all know that 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. After simplifying this value, if this numbers, you will be getting 17.93 into 10 power minus 23 grams. So we have seen 3 problems. Next, fourth problem, an atom of an element weighs 6.644 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. In this we have to calculate gram atoms of elements in 40 kilogram. Solution, weight of one atom of element is, question itself we have the values down, 6.644 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. And weight, therefore weight of n atoms of element 6.644 into 10 to the power minus 23 into Avogadro number. As I told you already, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 is the n value. N means Avogadro number. Now you can calculate the numbers. What will you get? You can get 40 grams. Okay, that's all. But after getting the number, once again you have to calculate the numbers. Therefore, 40 into 10 power 3 grams of element has 40 into 10 power 3 divided by 40. Once again you can cancel the number. Finally, 40 by 40 is the same number ma. You can both are get cancelled. After cancellation, you can get only 10 power 3 gram atoms. Fourth sum easy, you know. Then move to fifth one. Okay. In this we have isotopes values of chlorine. Naturally occurring chlorine is 75%. Chlorine mass number 35 and 25% of chlorine 37. Calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine. Solution, average atomic mass percentage of first isotope into atomic mass plus percentage of second isotopes into atomic mass overall divided by 100, because we have taken percentage percentage means we need 100, we need to calculate by 100. 100 means 75 into 35 plus 25 into 37 divided by 100. After simplifying this value, we are getting 35.5 AMU. Therefore, we can say that chlorine atomic mass is 35.5 atomic mass units. Thank you for watching. Thank you, ma'am.